Hey guys, my name is Mona and this is Plant Therapy. Here I'm unboxing a few plants that I ordered and was kind of concerned about. Seem to be in the mail a little longer than expected. This came from New Jersey. I live in Maryland, for those of you who don't know this. So not too far a hike, and this came from Rare Herbs Garden, New Jersey, one of my favorite Etsy sellers for Hoya. They always include this little pouch with a couple of name tags, and these are cute because they look like price tags. Yeah, very cute. And then they always include those pins to pin down your seedlings when rooting, or a couple of orchid clips. And they are nice quality clips, by the way. But anyhow, I ordered 3 plants. One was actually an add-on, and the add-ons are usually less, a little less than the average price of the plants. So if I see something interesting, I'll do that. I'll add it on to my order. I like that it was well insulated. Here you see they like to include a free cutting of another type of Hoya. And here it's in a little tub of sphagnum moss. And this is the Lacunosa Asami Clone 1. There's Clone 1 and Clone 2. One is supposed to have more variegation than the other. I have an Asami plant, full plant, that I got from another seller, and I ended up just forwarding this one to a friend of mine back in New Jersey, actually, and you know who you are when you get it, you'll see. But since I have the plant already, I thought, let me just pack it up with the things I was sending to her that same afternoon. So got a little extra something something in the package. So here we are. The first one is Hoya Lacunosa Louisa Silver leafed Hoya. I love the Lacunosa and the Cronianas. And this one is a beautiful little silver leafed plant. I can't wait to see it grow because they usually grow pretty quickly. So here is the actual add-on plant, and it is called Hoya Rubida, or Rubida, not sure how you say it. Now this one is like a one leaf, a long stem, and then on the end of the stem there are a couple of leaves. So I watered this one. This was the only one that showed up looking like it needed a little bit of watering. What I intend to do is snip that stem, and I'm going to root up the other end separately, only to add it back into the pot eventually. It's a cute leaf. It's new to me. I just thought I'd try it, check it out. So I'm going to look up these plants and find out what their flowers look like. I guess what I'm talking about here is the those cute little pots they have, those little containers that they send their plants in. I like that they're tall and they put holes along the sides so that the water, to I guess prevent over watering the pond. And it seems like all the plants I've gotten from this seller are in pond. So now this one is the one that blew me away. I'm going to put the name of the actual plant on the screen. It is gorgeous. And with all the fluff, it was really exciting to get a glimpse of this one. Very pretty. So here we are. Hoya MA07, I believe, is the number. And I will place the name on the screen. The full name. This plant reminds me of, what is that? The black margin. What do they call it now? Verticillata, or was it renamed to Parasitica? I always get those two mixed up. But I think you know what I'm talking about. I have a black margin, and when I took a glimpse of these leaves, that's the first thing that came to mind, because it reminded me so much of that plant. Very, very pretty. At some point, I am going to move closer to the screen so you can see it. I think I was trying to pull the tape off. Everything is so well packaged. Very pretty. You could see a little margin of color. And on one of these leaves, you can see that it was starting to sun stress. So I think this is going to be very pretty. But yeah, kind of reminds me of the black margin. Verticillata. Yeah, so that's it. My three beauties. The newest additions to my collection from Rare Herbs Garden, New Jersey. Again, I'll provide the information in the description below. And that's it. And that little cutting, you know who you are. Let me know if you like it. I added something from my own in there as well. So thanks for joining me in this quick unboxing. I hope you like it. If you guys have any of these, please let me know how they grow for you, and if you've had them flower, please let me know. And as I get information on each of these, I'll try to provide a little reel or something with the fun facts about these Hoya. All right, guys, thanks for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Have a great weekend.